Okay, good afternoon, Sunday fun day, February 16th, 2025. And I finally got me some reinforced uppers for the tortoise lowrider. Been breaking these things for a while. I was just holding out. I didn't want Cadillac A-arms, I wanted these. And for all over the years, they tell me they can't do it, they can't do it, they can't do it. Finally, it got done. So as you can see, reinforced all the way top and the bottom there. Both sides versus the original. Brittle, break, but I held out till they came through for me. Got it done. For the tortoise. So I can finally hit the switch a couple of times without it breaking. Right here, all the time. As you can see, this one got a hole through it. But these right here, covered up. Nice, both sides. That's not breaking. So we coming, y'all. Lay and play. 6 batteries in Delta, so that's all I got. But I'll be ready to hit a couple licks though. And we out. Peace. All right. Okay, before I take these old ones off, as you can see, it's already curved. Already curved. So it's ready to break right here real soon. A couple more hits and there they go. Yep. So with them there coming, I don't have to worry about this kind of stuff no more, y'all. That's how we doing it. Okay, good afternoon, lowrider community. So I cleaned them up a little bit, put some paint on them, put a little green and gold, matched the car. Car got peanut butter gold like inside, and the paint is green, so yeah, out the way. Got a little green and gold going on there. And now, time for the install. Peace. Okay, so it's done. As you can see, got them on. And that's funny, this is a little green on there with a little gold accent. But damn. That's my full lockup right there though. With them skinny ones, I used to be stacked up pretty high, but with these here, not too high, but it's all good. I just gotta change out my coils. You know. Shit, I'm old. I didn't feel like doing that, so. But yeah, it's working pretty good. I had to do a little shaving for the driver's side, you know what I'm saying? Luckily, I live close to a Harbor Freight, you know what I'm saying? Say what you want, it worked for me. Harbor Freight. Okay. They're the old ones. Look at that. Roof about to bend and break. So is that one too. So we good to go, the tortoise lowrider. One more little obstacle I got to get over. Last Sunday, last Crenshaw Sunday, my back stroke blew. So I got some new ones right there. As you can see, she almost came through, but I'm gonna take care of that. Put a bridge back there, I guess, since I don't have one. I'll figure it out. But yeah, it's all good. I'll be back on the scene real soon. Line Life, the tortoise lowrider, and we out.